In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from savings to checking account. So to get started, go ahead and open your banking application and sign into your account. Once you're signed in into your account, savings account, go ahead and head over into the send or receive tab, which you'll find at the left side of your screen if you're using the same app as mine. So from here, you can go ahead and select from sending to another bank account, other banks or e-wallets or Eon account. From here, go ahead and select the type of account that you have for your checking account. So for example, it's on the same banking app as your savings account, you can simply select that another account option from here, and that will redirect you here. You can go ahead and provide the account number and account name to your checking account in the section. You can also send money to that account by entering that account's mobile number or email. After you enter that information, click on the next button to proceed with the next step, and you'll need to enter the amount of money that you want to transfer from your savings to your checking account. That is how you can simply transfer money from savings to checking.